everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So I have a playlist of me making this sunflower journal, and if you would like to see that, I would put that in the right-hand corner for you guys to come check it out. Okay, so this is the cover of it, and I did hand stitch throughout, so it's all hand stitched, if you can see. And added some fussy cut of a fabric sunflower, added some buttons, earring I'm pretty sure, and I think it's so cool how it hangs like that. And then just fabric clusters, some thread clusters with some beads sewn in, and some coffee dyed and tea dyed fabrics throughout. And that's the front of it. And then there's the back. You guys can see here. So if my husband's doing tractor work out front, and if you guys hear that, that's probably what you're hearing is it's a tractor. He's mowing out there. And I did some ruffles right here with some cool tea dyed. This is some really cool tea dyed fabric that I left for like a week and did like a bundle. A tea dye bundle, and if you guys want to see how I did that, I'll put that in the right hand corner for you. And that turns out really fun. That's half of this is from the tea dye bundles that I did, and then just some beads in there and just all kinds of stuff, all handwork on the front and the back. Okay, so that's the outside of it, and I just got some seam binding here for the closure. And so I did a paper bag in the front, inside cover, and did some stenciling. I have my Cricut machine. I cut these out, just some pretty sunflowers, just different ones, and did that throughout. It's pretty much a theme throughout the whole journal here, is some sunflower stuff, because I thought it would look nice with the cover. Okay, and so this is like the flat part of the inside, of a paper bag. It's like the bottom part of it. So I made a little tuck for it here. And there we go. So these go in here. Just some more journaling space. A little doily. A sunflower greeting, just a greeting card here. And I use stencils throughout too. I got these off Amazon. And all the links, like my Amazon links and stuff, are down below if you want to come check them out. But there's one, I think it's over there, but it's a 6x6, and there are a bunch of background stencils. A set of 10 6x6 inches of background stencils, and they're really fun to play with. I mean, you've got the coffee stain ones, and so it's really, so those are great, and those will be down below if you want to come check them out. So that's the stencils I've used throughout here too. And these are my bigger stencils, which are really cool. They got botanical. They're the bigger set here that you can get. And they got just different botanical. And then they got the dragonflies, butterflies, and just, you can get a bee. It comes with all these, and they're really cool. But yeah, you can come check those out. So those would be throughout too, just to show you. Those are fun ones. This flip, this is the one I did with the coffee, like the rings of the coffee, like setting down of the stencil, and I think it turned out really cool. And yeah, so this has a little flip in it, a couple of fun little papers here, and you can see through that, so it's like a little botanical flip. And I did this with you guys too, if you want to see how I make this. It's up in the right hand corner right here, and you can come check this out. It was pretty fun to make, but I thought it'd be fun to put these pretty papers for the background right here, just like that, and then you can see the back of it, so it's kind of neat. Okay, and so that's the little flip, and then I got a printout back behind it with a big sunflower. I thought that would be fun. And then this comes out like that. And these are just printouts that I did. I thought that would be fun with a little tea topper here for a tab. Okay, and then it goes this way. You can see the stenciling on there. And then I did some sewing. Okay. And this is a fun tea bag little thing. I did this with you guys too on a video, and I will put that up in the right hand link, or up in the right hand corner. I'll put the link there if you guys want to see how to do the tea bags sewn together like that. And I did a fun little just paper bag here with some goodies in here like that. So I got an upcoming video that I want to do with you guys showing you how to make these little bags here. They're fun, just little bags made out of deli paper. So I think that would be great. So they're really fun, just little deli paper bags. And some collaging. Just some more little bookmark here, I guess. And some coffee dyed fabric here. Or tea. I don't know. I think this one might be tea dyed. And some stenciling back here, some more collaging, just on some craft paper. So just on some craft paper here, and a little collage. And this is just an index card here, and a fun little index card with a rainbow on it. And I'm sure they're both avocado dyed, I think. And then just some more stenciling and collaging. And more stenciling. And then these are just fun stencils that I do. And I use my RIT dye, which I use for my fabrics and stuff in my Etsy shop. So I do some fun banner flags and stuff. And it's just a RIT fabric dye. And it works great. And I just spritz it and do that with it. Okay. Sorry, I keep stopping the filming because I keep having my husband go back and forth. He's taking brush and taking it to the burn pile and stuff. So I just figured I'd stop it in between so it wouldn't be so loud. But yeah, that's what I do with my RIT dye here. And then I got some more stencils, which this is with my the big stencils on here. It has really cool birds. I love it. I love this one. And that's that one right here. So it's got the birds. And these are just great to use. I'm really liking them. And then I made cheesecloth and showed you guys how to make faux rice paper. And I will post that in the link right here. I will put that right there for you guys in the right-hand corner. And this is just a little tag I made, and I thought it'd be fun to add that in there. Okay, and then some more bird stencils with collaging. The other half of the paper bag here. And it's just some fun things to play with. So these are just, I think this bag is so cool. I love the crinkliness of it. But I got a set of 250 sheets. Okay, so I figured I'd just show you guys. It's a 500 pack, and it is craft deli wrappers, and they're 12 by 12 inch, and they're great. I'm having so much fun making all kinds of stuff. I've done painty papers. I've done, I want to show you guys how to do the bags. I think those are really fun. And this stuff, the link's down below if you go and check it out. But these are really fun to play with. I'm having a great time. So I just wanted to show you guys. Okay. So I just wanted to show you that. But they make great little fun things. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see how to make these little bags. They're so much fun. Okay, and then there's the other half of the tea bags that I sewed together and did some stenciling. Some journaling spots. The other half of the printout here that I sewed together. And another little pop out here, which is so much fun. And some more journaling spots. And then right here, you could journal on the back of there. So it's just a little accordion fold. The doily on this side. And I thought these would be fun. I did a little pocket back here and some stenciling. I used gold acrylic paint for the stenciling, and I thought that turned out really good. Manila folder. I made the little pocket and did some stenciling, and it's avocado dyed. And these are just super cute little tags. And I did some stenciling on the back just to tie it all together. But I thought these would be fun to play with, and you could put them wherever you want. And yeah, so there we go. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And this will be on my Etsy shop, so I will be putting it in there. And if you don't see it there anymore, that means it is gone, and I'm sorry, but come check it out. Come get it while it's there. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you could, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.